Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products available for your needs. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 3/8 soccer ball Grosgrain ribbon. A must-have for sports enthusiasts, crafters, and anyone looking to add a bit of sporty flair to their DIY projects. This is, without a doubt, the best soccer ball ribbon you can find. Whether you're making custom hair bows, gift wraps, or decorations for a soccer-themed event, this ribbon is the perfect choice. Made by HairBow Center LLC, this ribbon is a 25-yard roll of high-quality polyester grosgrain, which is not only durable but also washable, color-fast, and non-shrinking. This makes it ideal for a variety of uses, including craft projects that require longevity and resilience. The design features a charming pattern of soccer balls, making it a great option for sports tournaments, birthday parties, or any event celebrating soccer. It's subtle yet fun, providing a touch of playful energy to any project. And with a width of 3/8 of an inch, it's just the right size for adding detail without overwhelming your design. Not only is it versatile, but it's also easy to work with. The grosgrain texture ensures that it holds its shape well, which is important for projects like hair bows or decorative accents where the ribbon needs to maintain its form. It's also sturdy enough for projects like scrapbooking or adding a finishing touch to handmade gifts. The ribbon is available in multiple sizes, including the 25-yard roll, which gives you plenty of material to work with for larger projects or multiple smaller ones. If you prefer a shorter length, you can even pick up a 5-yard option. No matter the size you choose, this ribbon is a fantastic value for the price. It's a perfect combination of practicality and style. The material is soft to the touch, making it a joy to work with, and the design is universally appealing, especially for soccer lovers. Plus, it's easy to care for, machine washable and dry cleanable, so you don't have to worry about it losing its vibrant soccer ball print after a wash. In conclusion, the 3/8 soccer ball grosgrain ribbon by HairBow Center LLC is the perfect way to add a fun and sporty twist to all your craft projects. Whether you're making a soccer-themed party decoration or simply want a cute accent for your gifts, this ribbon checks all the boxes for quality, style, and versatility. Make sure to grab yours today and get started on your next creative project. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews of the best products on the market.